Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
So, our program is to worship the original Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna. Govindamadi Purusam Tamahangmaya. In this material world, everyone is trying to get happiness and to get relief from distress. Two things are going on. Attempt. There are different processes. Material process is completely absurd, that is already proved. No amount of material comfort or happiness, so-called happiness, can give us the actual happiness that we are hankering. That is not possible. Then there are different other processes also. There are three kinds of miseries due to our material conditional life. Adhyatmik, adhibhautik, adhidaivik. Adhyatmik means pertaining to the body and to the mind. Just like when there is some disarrangement of the different functions of metabolism within this body, we get fever, we get some pain, headache, so many things. So, these miseries are called adhyatmik, pertaining to the body, and another part of this adhyatmik misery is due to the mind. Suppose I have suffered a great loss, so the mind is not in good condition. So this is also suffering. So, for disease condition of the body or some mental dissatisfaction, there are miseries. Then again, adhibhautik, sufferings offered by other living entities. Just like we are human beings, we are sending millions of poor animals to the slaughterhouse daily. They cannot express, but this is called adhibhautik, sufferings offered by other living entities. Similarly, we have to suffer also sufferings offered by other living entities. God's law you cannot, supersede. So, material laws, state laws, you can hide yourself. But God's law, you cannot hide yourself. There are so many witnesses. The sun is your witness, the moon is your witness, the day is your witness, the night is your witness, the sky is your witness. So how you can supersede the laws of the Lord? So, but this material nature is so constituted that we have to suffer. Adhyatmik, pertaining to the body, pertaining to the mind, and sufferings offered by other living entities, and another suffering, adhidaivik, Adidaivi, just like somebody is ghost haunted. A ghost has attacked him. A ghost cannot be seen, but he is suffering, delirium, speaking something nonsense. Or there is famine, there is earthquake, there is war, there is pestilence, so many things. The sufferings are always there. But we are trying to adjust by patchwork. Sufferings are always there. Everyone is trying to get out of sufferings. That is a fact. The whole struggle for existence is to get out of the suffering. But there are different kinds of prescriptions. Somebody says that you get out of the sufferings in this way, somebody says you get out of the sufferings in that way. So there are prescriptions offered by the modern scientists, by philosophers, by atheists, or by theists, by fruitive actors, so many there are. But according to Krishna consciousness movement, you can get out of all sufferings if you simply change your consciousness. That's all. That is Krishna consciousness. As I have given you several times the example, all our sufferings are due to lack of knowledge, ignorance. That knowledge can be achieved by association of good authorities.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,